Hey all, welcome to the video. Another video where I visited a farm back about 2024. This is a managed farmland in Shoolagiri, which is Bangalore, Tamil Nadu border, close to the Bangalore Tamil Nadu border. After Sarjapur, you get Bergai. After that, you have Shoolagiri. In between that, you get this farmland. So this is one of the model farm plat that I visited. I was looking for the agriculture farmland and I was preferring mostly the managed farmland because of the documents would be more kind of legal and I don't have to spend too much time scrutinizing them, and the borders would already be defined and most of the neighbors would be a similar white collar people like me. So this is a model plot which was very nice, which is just a quarter acre. I think it's more, little bit more than a quarter acre what this model farm plot they have done. They had kept a couple of shipping containers or maybe a prefab, and they had done it very nice. So I just captured it for my reference in case if I find and buy any agricultural land in future, so I can follow something like this as a reference. So, and on the top you see there is a solar panels they have installed, and that would help us in having the electricity off the grid, and it would be sufficient for more probably zero point 0.5 or 1 HP motor, and also some basic things, maybe not too much energy draining equipments like oven or welding, grinding, but the other things, small tube lights, fans, you can use it. It all depends. If you add some more panels to it and have some battery based on the capacity, you can even run those heavy machineries as well. So this is a managed farmland. I think they use drip irrigation, and this managed farmland, since it is managed farmland, I think somewhere around 5,000 we have to pay monthly as of now to manage this. And there will be some permaculture followed as well as some seasonal crops. So permaculture, they will have some fruit trees of your choice, or they will also suggest some trees based on the location environment, and that would grow in that local environment very well. And you will have some beds made there where you can grow veggies of your choice like cucumber, tomato, watermelon. So these rocks are also nearby. The area over here is mostly rocky. You will find a lot of rocks. So I think they have used the locally available rocks over there, and they've made a small bed. And these are cucumber, and so this is how they give the space behind. You can earmark some place for your house, a small house, and also around that or wherever it is feasible, you can make this kind of beds and you can grow some veggies for yourself. All that labor will be included in that 5,000 maintenance. So, so this one was recorded 2 years back. So whatever pricing I'm saying, the maintenance is 5,000 per month, and the quarter acre plot was costing around 40 lakhs. So these prices were 2 years back pricing. They've used bamboo sticks and they've done it, and they have done a small Miyawaki. They gave a sample of cucumber which was organically grown, no pesticides, so that was very nice. So yeah, in this 5,000 rupees labor, it's all included for this vegetable bed growing, and so it will be all grown organically without any harmful pesticides. So this is coriander that was grown, and it was very fragrant and it was very flavorful. And they had done a small Miyawaki forest where the four plots connect. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and support the channel. And if you're looking for investing in this property, I don't know whether there's another phase available now. You can connect with me and I can refer you. So whatever benefit I get as a commission, I can transfer it, and it's a win-win for both of us. Thanks for watching.